nice multi-tool for my birthday too.
Oh yeah.
The Leatherman Arc. It's like the best multi-tool out, but it's like $250.
Hold on, stop.
Ooh, holy shit.
Hold on. Don't do nothing. Don't do nothing. Don't do nothing. That's a decent one.
Did he move?
He's right there. No way.
Is he going for it?
He's looking at it.
The little baby ones next to it. That might be the mama.
That wasn't a bad fish at all for here. That was a probably 1.5, 2 pounder.
I think my PB.
Got him.
Nice.
Kind of wish I brought the net now. Oh, that's not even a bad one at all, dude. That's not even a bad one. That's bigger than I thought. Sorry. Don't grab that line. Don't grab the line. Just go and look them. Got him? Yeah. Thanks, bro.
Fucking nice one, dude.
We're recording.
That, holy shit, dude.
Hell yeah. That might even be pushed. That's like probably 2.5 actually.
That's a good one, dude.
Appreciate that.
That would probably be a PB for me. That actually would be a personal best for sure.
That ain't a bad one at all for here. Yeah, that's, what do you guess, 2.5? 2.5?
It's at least 2.
Yeah, no, for sure.
Dude, that's
Awesome.
what. That's sad, dude. I haven't even caught one that big yet.
Trust me, dude, my PB's 4, and I've been fishing for a lot longer than you have. And 4 is not huge at all.
And that was off the bridge at the ferry. The first time I had ever caught one. Damn, bro, he swam off so nicely.
I know.
Like, he's still right there.
I know. That was perfect.
Wow.
Sweet. You see that?
Is that a turtle?
Yes, dude.
Oh
Look at
my god.
That is a monster.
That thing would take your foot. I thought that was a rock.
I don't know. I thought this would work better putting the glasses on it, but hopefully you saw it good in the first one. This thing was huge, man.
That's genuinely the biggest snapping turtle I've ever seen.
Yeah, that is a big one, dude. Gotta run the worm down, man. That's it. You like that. Yeah, you do. You like that, bud? Monster. Absolute monster. Ryan. New PB. Dandy little bass there. Oh, it's hot, bud. Look at that guy. Eat the worm there. Yeah, come over here.